another video, and today we're going to be cleaning my air filter on my F30 335i, and I have the AFE Power Pro 5R intake on this one, the air filter, not intake, but we have the cleaning kit here, and basically what it does is it cleans the air filter and maximizes its efficiency. And I'm happy to do that with this car because I haven't cleaned it since I got it, which was about a year ago. And it's a reusable air filter, so I'm pretty happy about that, so I don't have to keep buying a new one each time. So let's get right on to showing what the filter looks like. And first, let's unbox this box right here. Alrighty guys, so this is the box right here. I got my handy dandy whatever the hell this is. I found it in the garage, but let's get into cutting this thing. It cuts pretty good, which isn't that bad. Let's set that on the ground. Let's rip this box open. Let's see what it comes with. So we do have here, we have the invoice. I'm not going to show my address, but here's the invoice. And here is the actual kit from AFE Power. And it is called the Power Cleaner, and it's for the dry filter. Mine is the Pro 5R, I think that's what it's called, and it's a dry filter, so this should be able to clean it. And here are the handy dandy instructions in here, I believe. Let's see what they are here. Oh yeah, they are instructions, so I'll show that right here. First we prep it, we gently tap the filter to remove whatever is there, and then gently brush with the soft brush I don't have, and then we soak it with the cleaner, and then we allow it to soak for 10 minutes, and then we rinse it low pressure but the opposite direction. We don't want to throw the water going towards the clean side, because then you'll bring all the dirt to the clean side, and then you let it dry in the air, but the sun is gone, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But let's go ahead and check out how the intake looks right now, and let's take it out. Alrighty, so here we have the legendary N55 engine here. It looks pretty bone stock from out here, but if you take a closer look, let's get the handy dandy flashlight. You can see the aluminum charge pipe in there. And then if you can look closely in there, you can see the little blue finish of the catless downpipe. There's also a aluminum boost pipe in here somewhere. Don't know where. But also, we do have that aluminum intercooler as well. But what we want to look at is this bad boy right here, the intake. And as you can see on this little thing, it's equipped with an AFE washable and reusable air filter. I did check it before I opened it to make sure it was, and it's true, it does have one. But let's go ahead and open it up and let's see how it looks like. Alrighty guys, so first let's take off these first two clips right here. Use some force here, and just in case, I'm gonna take this clip off if I can. Okay, I can't take it off, but last time I took it off, it fell off, so don't make that mistake guys. We also have another clip around this side and then under the mass airflow sensor. Be careful, it's kind of hot over here too, so just watch out for that. And I don't think you guys can see, or you guys can't see this, but here we have a little grommet. You just want to pull it up, disconnect that, and then you want to kind of jostle this around to where you can see the actual intake in here, the air filter I mean. And what you want to do, take that bad boy out carefully and want to close that again. You don't want to leave it open. But here we have it. Here is the air filter, and here's the dirty side. This is what we don't want to have. If you can see in between all those grooves here, there's absolutely a lot of dirt, and I'm pretty sure it's really hindering this air filter and the amount of air coming into the car. I didn't realize it was this bad, but it is pretty bad. So let's go ahead and start. As we saw in the instructions, the first step was to gently tap the dirty side down. So this is the dirty, this is the clean. So we're gonna flip it over and let's just tap it. Get some of that dirt out, even if it's not coming out, but I doubt it is. But we tried. And the second step is soaking it with the actual chemicals or whatever you want to call it. And let me get that real quick. We have it right here, the power cleaner. And I guess we just like soak it up real good. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. I mean, I'm gonna use it pretty good. Like, I barely clean this, so I'm gonna get it right into every single groove that I can see. Oh my god, it stinks. I think that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna hit some of these spots in the corner. These are the worst spots. I think that looks pretty good. So let's just let that soak out for about maybe 10 minutes. So I'll come back once it's done with the 10 minutes, and then we'll soak it up real good from this side, not this side. You want to get the dirty stuff out from the dirty side, not bringing the dirty stuff to the clean side. So I'll check back in when this thing is done. All right guys, so we have the filter here and we have let it soak. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out with the water and basically see if it cleaned pretty good or not. Alrighty guys, so I cleaned it out. Let's see if it cleaned it out pretty good. From what I see, it looks to seem like there's nothing in between the grooves. Let's go under some light, but I don't see anything in here. Seems pretty good to me so far. So let's take a good look at that. I mean, I'm not seeing much in here. Just a couple rocks in here, but that's about it. Oh, right here, there's a lot of dirt here. I'll probably just get a pick tool really lightly into it to get most of this stuff out, but overall it did a pretty good job because it used to be full of everything. So not too shabby. So let me get a pick tool real quick, probably off camera, and I'll just try and get like little pieces out of it. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Alrighty guys, so I finished cleaning it with this pick tool right here, and this is what came out of it. Literally, I scraped every single corner here, all the way down the whole line, but very gently. You don't want to do it too hard to where you're actually like puncturing the actual filter. So I was doing very lightly, and this is all the stuff that came out. I don't even know what it is. It looks like poop, like bird poop or something. But I cleaned it pretty good, and I really like how it came out. So I'd say the product itself, from my point of view, the product itself, I'd give it like a solid 6. Like, I thought it would actually like break the things down and like make them come out with the water, but it didn't come out with the water like I expected it to. So that's why I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. Or maybe I just didn't do it correctly, but don't quote me on it. But I didn't really like the product as much as I thought I would. Honestly, I would have done the same if I would have just done it with water and used the pick tool. But let's go ahead and install this back onto the car and see how the car turns on, because I did realize like the car was kind of misfiring a little bit for a while now. So I'm wondering if it's because this was really dirty and it wasn't getting the air it needed. So let's see if it fixes it. Alrighty guys, so I think, I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to put this back on, but I'm guessing because these rivets here show that air should be going up and into the actual turbo itself, so it should be going in like this. I'm not sure which direction, I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna lift this intake up, slide this bad boy up in here, move the clips out of the way, make sure it's snug in here guys. So I guess it does have a way to go in. So I guess you have to kind of wiggle around and play with it. Yeah, it does have a way to go in. You gotta wiggle and play around with it. There is a specific way it's supposed to go in. And so now I will be putting the grommet in here and moving the clip, making sure they're out of the way. And here, they clipped right on. Let's put these clips on if they want to go on. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this thing's back on like it's supposed to be. And also, please let it dry. I did let it dry for about 30 minutes before I put it back on. So yeah, that is basically the install of the, or cleaning and install, whatever, of the AFE Power Pro 5R, whatever their names are for this thing. I'll put in the link below, and also I'll put a link of the cleaner too so you guys can see it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the help you guys have been giving me. In the past month we gained almost 50 subscribers, That's actually insane for me. Like, I never thought like I would actually get that many in about a month that I've been consistently posting every 2 days. But stay tuned for more videos, guys. I do have another video coming out. If you watched the previous video of the POV night drive, you'll know what the next video is going to be. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day or night, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace, guys.